Welcome to SkipperBud's in Pewaukee, Wisconsin. Today we are looking at a gorgeous 2015 Chris Craft Carina 21 on its own trailer. Big swim platform on back, all teak. Dual prop on a Mercruiser Bravo. All Chris Craft and all gorgeous. Trailer's got a spare tire and a folding tongue. Let's take a look up topsides. Up topsides on the Chris Craft Carina 21. All the vinyl is in fantastic condition. Rips, tears, stains, or otherwise. Classic Chris Craft train horn. Leading to the center walkthrough. In-floor storage up in the bow section. Passenger side dash. And cockpit. This boat is rated for 7. It's got a Fusion stereo and a Garmin GPS. Classic Chris Craft throttle. All sorts of beautiful appointments in this boat. Excellent stitching throughout. And let's take a look at the Mercruiser engine. It's a Mercruiser 350 mag. As you can see, the engine compartment, this boat is clean, clean, clean. The most amazing thing, 24 hours on this engine. Just broken in and ready for its next owner. Thanks for taking a look at the Chris Craft Carina 21. Available to show here at SkipperBud's in Pewaukee.